west ng outpost.
Okay,
Dismounted-
okay, okay.
Yeah, they're dismounted sa west of outpost.
Okay, easy. West side tayo, northwest side tayo, northwest side. Iwasan
Oh,
Okay,
natin yung block.
listen. Gourmet itong nasa northeast ha. Maglo-loop around ata to sa'yo, Mac.
Bubong to mga Kels.
Okay.
Kailangan mo mag-hold dito.
Okay,
Bubong to.
okay.
Yeah, Gourmet
Tara.
on the ping. Gourmet on the ping. Coming to you, Mac.
Come up dahil on the ground, dismount.
Gourmet
Okay,
is also here.
hold tayo. Come on. Catch them, stop them.
Gourmet
Push
coming
forward.
back.
Put the posy. Aware alis to
Gourmet
lang.
coming back.
Alis to lang. Okay, walk in sa crown. Hanapin niyo yung crown niya.
Babalik ba ako dyan, Mac? O i-hold, susundan ko tong Gourmet.
Hold mo lang. Southeast tayo. Bro nyo lang, nasa front, Bro nyo lang, Sa likod ng HO, ready? In 3, and 2, and 1.
Gourmet
Sige.
holding sa idol.
We're fighting right now in Cops. Okay?
Defensive. Okay. Walk in nyo. Walk in
On the
with
HO right
me.
now.
With me. Bro nyo.
Coalition southeast side.
Bro nyo. Around the crown. 10 seconds engage ako. Bro nyo. Puro low. May mga low. Try nyo i-catch. Sige. Stabilize
Okay.
lang. Stabilize. May engage siya. Ready defensives. Defensive now. Okay. Engaging counter. Ready. Walk in 3, and 2, and 1. Now drop on the ground. Come on. Puro low. Execute them. Stabilize. Okay, come on. Kill them. Busin nyo. Southeast. On the ground. Stabilize, ha. Yung Zerg ko sumunod sa amin. Yo, walk up north. May engage sila. Walk up north.
Hold southeast. Sound southeast.
Okay, walk north. Everyone, walk north. Bantayan natin tong HO. Stabilize. Ano yung nasa northwest? Ano yan?
Gourmet.
Mamatay Surius.
Okay. Stabilize lang. Party to, ha.
Huli
Dito
ko
kami.
Surius.
May ping. Naglalaban pa? May mga tao kasi sa north, eh. Baka bubong to, eh.
No, Urius went out.
Okay.
I think
Hey! NB. May naka-NB.
May naka-NB. Spread lang.
Southwest Blob, that's Koa.
Okay.
Putang ina, kinabahan ako. Cheater lang pala. Nakakamatay yan, bro. Putang ina.
Hindi, gagay, may bumabomba sa atin dito from northwest, to.
Meron,
Oh.
Mac. Konti ka na.
Gourmet yung sa northeast, ha, Mac. Gourmet yan.
Walang
Yung
magagawin. Sinalubong na sila ng probac. Walang gagawin yan.
Nice.
Okay.
Nandito lang ako.
Ano yung blood
10 minutes, boys. 10 minutes.
Pack ba yan?
Hounds to.
Okay, everyone, mantap.
Info, east side Blob. Info.
East side.
Gourmet nga. Gourmet.
Wait.
Matahan nyo
Ito,
nga yung
gourmet
government.
to. Andito mismo.
Gourmet.
Sa gilid lang natin.
Sige.
Gourmet cheater.
Nag-hold lang ako ng
DA.
dito.
Clap.
Matahan ko lang dito.
Clap comp.
Hayaan nyo yung scout. Dito lang kayo sa ano. Ito yung objective natin. Maprotektahan to. Di tayo pwede
Susundan ko lang sila, Mac.
Di tayo pwede lumayo. Hold natin to.
We can hold against Gourmet, by the way. Don't worry.
Oo.
Nagpa-fight
Regear ka.
fight sila slope.
Parang
Dito
hesitant
pwede-
sila eh. Ewan ko anong meron dito sa mga to.
Di tayo pwede lumayo dito.
Galang.
Maybe they're just trying to, third party.
The fuck? I'm not scared of them.
Content ako Southwest.
Sige lang. Bala ka sa buhay mo. Malaki ka na. Huwag ka lang mamamatay. Kailangan talaga kita dito.
Galang. Magre-relay na lang ako ng comms.
Gourmet on here. Yung ko ano inaantay ng mga to.
Pero, scout mo nga yung yugto. Alliance nila yun, eh.
Andito pa rin si Urios. Holding si Urios Southwest
Wait lang.
Tapos ng map nyo.
Okay.
I-relay nyo lang sa akin ano meron dyan.
Andito yugto, may nakakamlan dito. Isa dito.
Ay, yan yung scout nila kanina.
Check mo agad kung may
Meron
DA.
dito sa taas. Walang DA,
So,
walang DA.
Nice.
Naka bedrock.
Content.
Yung isa dito, walang DA. Wala, walang DA.
Buti pa to si Bulbulito.
Hindi ka tarinig.
Gilma. IGN eh.
Good shit, boys. 7 more minutes and we're done. Actually, not yet. Magano pa tayo? May 30 pa tayong objective.
Mas marami sila sa atin, sa tingin ko. Malaki ng blob nila eh.
Oo.
Like level 6 ata this array nila.
Ay, nag-dismount. Ay. Kawa. Walk is.
Kalaban
Gourmet,
na
andito
Gourmet.
pa sa bridge siya. Andito pa din sa bridge.
Walk is. Bridge na.
Nasa tayo, Mac.
Yo, walk northwest. Northwest.
Gourmet, coming to you, Mac. Gourmet, rotating. Nasa north ang Gourmet. Nasa north
Okay,
ang
okay.
Gourmet.
West side. Dismount. Status sa HO. Walk up sa akin.
Gourmet, wrapping around southeast.
Hindi ako. Walk
Oh,
up sa
Gourmet,
akin.
dismounting. Gourmet, dismounting. They're looking to the hideout. Mac.
Southwest. Southwest, guys.
Fighting
Southwest of the
So
hideout.
they're hitting the hideout. Battle mounts on the hideout.
I see it. Okay. Sige. QWs no. Yo, ingat sa top, ingat sa taas. Yung north side natin. Ingat. Engaging in north side. Okay, come back west a bit.
Wait, what the fuck?
Up-down lang, play nyo lang around dito.
They're looking, ha.
North, everyone north. Defensive. No, fake them. Sorry.
Let's break. I use my knee.
Yeah. Naisip ko kasi
That's
may bomber. Okay, silang
We're fighting right now. But
Yes,
we
Battle
don't
Yes,
mount, battle mount. Huwag
Bonking.
niyong mahayang pupukin.
Ay, yo, on the ground south in 3 and 2 and 1. Shallow na, defensive. Fuck, magsabay. Come on. Push nyo south. South. Walang mag-north. Balik dito sa south. Walang mag-north. Balik sa south. Sa crown lang, stabilize. Yo. Stabilize.
We need help
On the
actually.
crown. Eyes on the crown. Pinopokpok na yung HO. Sa HO dito, balik sa HO.
It just 65%.
HO. We're 2v1 winning. Come on.
65.
Ready, engage in 3 and 2 and 1 on the crown now. On the crown. East side. HO, protect the HO. Defensive west. Yo. Northwest tayo. Status noob.
60%
Gawin na
ng
sila.
HO.
Okay. Protect the HO at all cost. Stabilize lang dito. Come on. Ready? Sa crown. South in 3 and 2. Hold in 3, 2, 1 on the crown now. Come on. Defensive. Stabilize. Hintayin natin makarating yung iba.
Almost wipe kami,
4 minutes. Stabilize the crown. Stabilize around the crown. That's good. HO, protect the HO. Protect the HO. May healer pa tayo. Si Zion na.
FR Alliance also here.
Stabilize tayo. Stabilize.
5 DA FR Alliance.
Sige. Fuck, tangin, ang dami. Come on. On the crown. Ready. 3 and 2 and 1. On me.
Mamatay na ako, malapit na. Konting-konti na.
Nandito na yung pakalayan.
Come on.
Reds
Ayan,
yan.